हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल मयंक शर्मा व्लॉग्स। आज हम क्लास 11 चैप्टर 13 काइनेटिक थ्योरीज पढ़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहले काइनेटिक थ्योरीज ऑफ गैसेस के एजम्पशन पढ़ते हैं। एवरी गैस कंसिस्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल पार्टिकल नोन एज मॉलिक्यूल। स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एवरी गैसेस कंस्टिट्यूट नोन एज मॉलिक्यूल्स। मॉलिक्यूल होता है छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में the molecule of given gas all are identically but are different from those of another gases. The molecule of gases are identically spherically rigid and perfectly elastic point masses. Their molecular size is negligible in comparison to intermolecular distance 10 raised to minus 9 meter. The speed of gas molecule lies between 0 and infinity, very high speed. Fifth, the distance covered by the molecules between two successive collisions is known as free path, या mean of all free path is known as mean free path. Number 6, number of oscillation per unit volume in gas remain constant. The number of collision per unit volume in a gas remain constant. 7, no attractive or repulsive force act between gas molecules. 8, gravitational to extremely attraction among the molecules is ineffective due to small masses and very high speed of molecule. Gas loss क्या होता है? Assuming permanent gases to be ideal through experiment. एक्सपेरिमेंट के दौरान एज्यूम करना परमानेंट गैस को आइडियल में। इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश दैट गैस इज इरेक्टिव ऑफ देयर नेचर और विद द फॉलोइंग लॉस। पहला लॉ है बॉयल्स लॉ। एट कांस्टेंट, इसमें क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर ऑफ गैस का वॉल्यूम दिया है। सो गैस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनलिटी टू इट्स प्रेशर। सो वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा, वॉल्यूम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर। सो PV इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट फॉर अ गिवन गैस P1 V1 इक्वल टू P2 V2। अब चार्ल्स लॉ पढ़ते हैं। चार्ल्स लॉ में कांस्टेंट प्रेशर द वॉल्यूम गिवन मास ऑफ गैस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर। सो V प्रोपोर्शनलिटी टू T, so V upon T constant for a given gas V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. At constant pressure, the volume V of given masses of a gas increases by decreases 1 by 273.15 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius. At constant pressure, the volume of given masses of gas increases or decreases by 1 by 273.15 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius for each 1 degree Celsius rise or fall in temperature. So volume of the gas at T degrees CE. So Vt equal to V naught 1 plus T by 273.15, where V naught is the volume of gas at 0 degrees Celsius. Gay-Lussac's or Reynolds law. At constant volume, the pressure P of given masses of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature T. Implies that P proportionally to T equal to V by T constant for a given mass. P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2. At constant volume V, the pressure P of given mass of a gas increase or decrease by 1 by 273.15 of its pressure 0 degree Celsius for each 1 degree Celsius rise or fall in temperature. Volume of gas T degree Celsius Pt equal to P0 1 plus T by 273.15, where P naught is the pressure of gas at 0 degree Celsius. अब हम पढ़ेंगे Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Avogadro started the equal volume of all gases under similar conditions of temperature. Pressure contain equal number of molecules. This statement is called Avogadro's hypothesis. According to Avogadro's law, Avogadro's number, the number of molecules present in 1 gram of mass is defined as Na 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 per gram per mole. Second है at STP or NTP, T equal to 273 Kelvin and P equal to 1 atm and 22.4 liter of each gases has 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Third, 1 mole of any gases at STP occupies 22.4 liter of volume. Standard or perfect gas equation. Gases which obey all gases laws in all condition of pressure and temperature are called perfect gases. Equation of perfect gases PV equal to nRT, where P equal to pressure, V volume, T absolute temperature, R universal gas constants and N number of moles of gas. Universal gas constant की वैल्यू होती है 8.31 जूल पर मोल पर केल्विन. Real gases क्या होता है, real gases deviate slightly from ideal gas law because real gas molecules attract each other. Real gas molecule occupy a finite volume. Real or van der Waals force. Real or van der Waals gas equation P plus A by V square equal to RT. where A and V are called van der Waals constant. Pressure due to an ideal gas is given by P equal to 1 by 3 mn upon V into C square equal to 1 by 3 rho C square. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, P equal to 1 by 3 into m by V into C square, where m is the mass of one molecule, n is the number of molecule, V equal to volume gas, C equal to C1 square plus C2 square plus Cn square upon n allied root mean square R and n is velocity of the gas molecule and m equal to molecular weight of the gas. If P is the pressure of gas, E is the kinetic energy per unit volume is E, then P equal to 2 by 3 E. Kinetic energy of gases. Average kinetic energy of translation per molecule of gas is given by E equal to 3 by 2 kT, where K Boltzmann constant. Second, average kinetic energy of translation per molecule of gas is given by E equal to 3 by 2 RT, where R is a universal gas constant. Third, for a given gas kinetic energy, E proportional to T. So E1 upon E2 equal to T1 upon T2. For the root mean square, velocity of gas molecule is given by C equal to under root 3 RT upon M equal to root 3P upon P. For a given gas, C proportionally to under T. Sixth, for a different gases, C proportionally to 1 by under root M. Seventh, Boltzmann constant K equal to R by N, where R is the ideal gas constant and Avogadro's number. So volume of Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 28 joule per Kelvin. Eighth, the average speed of molecule of gas is given by V equal to under root 8 kT upon pi m under root 8 RT upon pi m. The most probable speed of molecule of gas is given by V mp under root 2 kT upon m under root 2 RT upon m. So Vrms greater than U greater than mp. Important point, with rise in temperature root mean square speed of gas molecule increase. जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा तो रूट मीन स्क्वायर भी बढ़ेगा. तो वी आर एम एस प्रोपोर्शनल टू अंडर रूट टी. with the increase in molecular weight, root mean square speed of gas molecule decrease. Root mean square of gas molecule is the order of kilometer per second. Example NTP for hydrogen gas. V root mean square under root 3 RT upon M equal to under root 3 into 8.31 into 273 upon 2 into 10 raised to 3. Root mean square speed of gas molecule does not depend on the pressure of gas if temperature remain constant, because P proportional to P Boyle's law. If pressure is increased n times, then the density will also increase by n times, but root mean square remain constant. अब हम पढ़ेंगे डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम. The degree of freedom for a dynamic system is the number of directions in which it can move freely, or the number of coordinates required to describe completely the position and configuration of the system. It is denoted by n. Degree of freedom of system is given by F or n equal to 3a minus r, where a equal to number of particles in the system, r number of independent relations. Degree of freedom for monoatomic gas is 3, for diatomic gas is 5, for non-linear triatomic gas 6, for linear triatomic gas 7. Specific heat of gas at constant volume, Cv equal to F by 2R, at constant pressure Cp equal to F by 2 plus 1R. C ratio of specific heat of a gas at constant pressure at constant volume is given as gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by F. Mean free path, the average distance traveled by a molecule between two successive collisions is called mean free path. Mean free path is given by gamma equal to kT upon under root 2 pi sigma square p, where sigma is the diameter of molecule, p is the pressure of gas, and T is the temperature, and K is the Boltzmann constant. Mean free path, gamma proportional to and gamma inversely proportional to press. Brownian motion क्या होता है? The continuous random motion of a particle of macroscopic size suspended in air or any liquid is called Brownian of microscopic motion. Brownian suspended motion in both is observed with many liquid or gas. Brownian motion is due to the unequal bombardment of the suspended particle of the molecule of the surrounding. So friends, ये हमारा चैप्टर फिनिश हो गया है. इस चैप्टर का नाम है काइनेटिक थ्योरीज ऑफ गैसेस. इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे इसका अनदर चैप्टर ऑसिलेशंस और वेव्स. सो मंडे तक ये चैप्टर हमारा फिनिश हो जाएगा. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियोस. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट के पास ये वन शॉट सीरीज पहुंच सके। सो थैंक यू।